Okay, so far we have studied about, so far we have studied about, so far we have studied about the definition of the sets. So set is nothing but a well-defined and well-distinguished collection of objects. And then we have studied about two different, like we know usually set is represented using a capital letters and the elements inside the set is represented using a small letters. Okay, then we studied something about symbols, correct? Symbols, epsilon says that the particular element belongs to set or does not belongs to set. We use this symbols. Then we had two methods of representing a set. So first one was roster form or tabular form, and the second one was set builder form, correct? The second one was set builder form. And then we had studied about the definition. What do you mean by actually the roster form? So in roster form, what we do, we generally list out the elements. Elements ಅನ್ನು separate ಆಗಿ ಬರಿತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಯಾವ್ದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಬರಿತೇವೆ ಎರಡು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿನ ಮಧ್ಯೆ in order to separate them, we put a comma. Okay, then we studied some property. Yeah, I'll tell about the homework question. Then we studied about set builder form. Set builder form was like, in set builder form, what all the elements that possesses a single property, which possesses a single property, we write that property instead of writing the elements. Instead of listing out the elements, we write that property. Okay, then we studied some of the points which we need to know about the set builder form, and then we had discussed some 3 or 4 examples in the yesterday's session, and this was the homework question, right students? This was your homework question, right? This was your homework question. Okay, so can we begin with the first one? I think we had discussed about the answer for the first one. So now we'll go for the second one. What is the second question? What is the second one? B is such that, okay, B is such that set of all x, okay, all these are colon, okay, students, these are colon. Okay, B is such that x is such that x is a natural number. Okay, so you have to write all the natural numbers, but it should be less than 6. So what are the natural numbers less than 6? Good students, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. Okay, I hope everyone have got the answer. Yeah, first for the first one, the answer is -2. You should not include -3 because x is greater than -3. Andre greater than or equal to ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ -3 include ಮಾಡಬಹುದಿತ್ತು. But here we have greater, so which means we cannot include -3. Okay, so A starts from -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This was the answer for the first one. So this is the answer for the second one. Now coming to the third question. What is the third question? You have to write the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. So what is the answer? What is the answer, students? E is equal to T R I G O N. Again I have O. So as I told, in roster form we don't repeat the elements, correct? So it is M E. Again we have T. We cannot write T because already T has been written once. Then we have R. Again R cannot be written again. Then we have Y. So this is your answer. And did you get the answer? Yes, students? Okay, so can we go for the next one? Next question. Okay, next question is x is such that x is a prime number. What do you mean by prime number, students? Before giving me the answers, can anyone tell me what is prime number? What is prime number? What is prime numbers? I don't want the answer. I know you have got the answer, but can anyone tell me the what do you mean by actually the prime numbers? Prime numbers divided by exactly two natural numbers. So which are those two natural numbers, Nayana? So Nayana is telling that prime numbers are those numbers which can be divided by exactly two natural numbers. So which is the number which is divisible by itself and one. Good sample it. The number which is divisible by itself and by one. So prime number andre ಏನು? 1 is not a prime number. Remember this, 1 is not a prime number. Prime numbers ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. 1 ಇಂದ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ದ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 2, yes, example 2, 3, 5. ಈಗ 2 ಯಾವ್ದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 ಇಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ 1 ಇಂದ. 3 ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 ಮತ್ತೆ 1. But if you take 4 is not a prime number. Yake? Because 4 can be divided by 2, 4 can be divided by 4 can be divided by 1. So other than these two numbers, we have one more divisor. Correct? We have one more divisor. So the prime number starts from 2, 3, 5, 7. Here what they have asked, in kelidare question alli, set is a prime number, which is, you have to write the x such that x is a prime number. So what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, then 11, 13, and it goes on. ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ 1 ಇಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುವಂತದ್ದು. Okay, so now x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 60 ಅನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? So which are the numbers which can divide 60? Which are the numbers which can divide 60, students here? Which are the numbers? What is the answer for D? It is 2, 3, 5. Correct? 2, 3, 5. The answer is 2, 3, 5. Only these three are the prime divisors of 60. Okay? The answer is 2, 3, 5. ಈ ಮೂರು ನಂಬರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ 60 ಅನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳು. Okay? So these are the prime divisors. Okay, next, what is the answer for the fifth one? X is such that, okay, x is such that x is a 2-digit natural number. Okay, you have to consider 2-digit natural number. Okay, and how should it be? Natural numbers 2-digit andre ellinda start agutte? From where it starts? The 2-digit natural number, from where it starts? 2-digit natural numbers, from where it starts? 10. Yes, good. So natural number starts from 1, correct? But we need 2-digit natural number. So 10 in the start agutte. So we need 2-digit natural number, but that is not the only condition. There is one more condition, such that the sum of the digits is 8. Okay, that means if you have 2-digit natural number, when you add those two numbers, that is, if I take 10, what is the addition? 1 plus 0. This sum should be 8. Okay, we have to find those kind of natural numbers. So what are those natural numbers? 10, 1 plus 0. We cannot add 10 because 1 plus 0 is 0, 1 itself. So we don't get it equal to 8. So we'll start from 17, correct? 1 plus 7 is 8. Okay, then 26, correct? 2 plus 6 is 8. It is not 28, Tasmia Banu, it is 26. Okay, then we have 35. Why it is 35? 3 plus 5 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 8 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಮಗೆ 2-digit natural number ಬೇಕು, ಆ 2 digit add ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 8 ಬರಬೇಕು. Then we have 44. Okay, good. 53, good. 62, good. 71, then 80. Should I continue or that's it? Should I continue or should I stop here? Should I stop or continue? Okay, I have to stop. Okay, fine, stop. So these are your answers for your set. What is the name of the set? Set is equal to C. So 17, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71, 80. ಏನು ಇವುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ 2-digit ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಅವುಗಳ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we get the answer to be equal to 8. Okay, hope this was clear. Okay, so are you excited for the next set of questions? Shall we move for the next set of questions? Yes, this is the next set of questions. You have to, so till now you have written the sets in the roster form. Now you have to write it in the set builder form. So let me see who will give me the answer for the first question. Let me see who will give me the answer for the first question. What is the answer for the first question? The elements are 3, 6, 9, 12. What is the common property among these four elements? ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ similarity 3, 6, 9, 12 ಅಲ್ಲಿ? What is the similarity? What is the similarity, students? Among this, we have 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, table of 3. Okay, adding of 3. Okay, difference of 3. Okay, all those are similarities. Now you people tell me, x is division of 3. No, x is multiple of 3 is correct. Good sampling. X is multiple of 3. Okay, or they are divided by 3. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? What is 3? 3 is nothing but 3 into 1. Correct? And what is 6? 6. See, if I write only this much, x is a multiple. Okay, we'll see. 6 is 3 into 2. What is 9? 9 is 3 into 3. What is 12? 12 is, what is 12? 3 into 4. So how can I write this? I can write this as set of all x, okay, set of all x such that x is even number. So hey, x is not an even number. Correct? Even numbers andre 2, 4, 6, 8. All these are even numbers, student. Odd number is 1, 3, 5, 7. Idannu odd. ಬೆಸ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಮ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದು. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on are odd numbers. Okay, so someone told me x is a multiple of 3. So can I write it as x is equal to 3 into n? Okay, x is equal to 3 into n. If I say multiple of 3 anta ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, multiple of 3 anta ಹೇಳಿ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ, I can continue, right? But if I say multiple of 3, then I should have all these elements. But my numbers are restricted to only this. My set is restricted to only 4 elements. Correct? My set is restricted to only 4 elements. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? The x is multiple of 3 is correct, students. X is multiple of 3 is correct, but we have to restrict. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ multiple of 3 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಬರಿಬಹುದು, 6 ಬರಿಬಹುದು, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 30, 27, 30, 33, 36 ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಎಂತ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ಅದು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ 4 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? We have only 4 elements. So what might be the set builder form? What might be the set builder form? ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು set builder form? How should be the set? Okay, x is equal, it should be less than 12. Okay, less than 12. What? Less than or equal to 4. Good, Naina. N should be less than or equal to 4. 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4. And all these n are natural numbers. All these n are, because ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಿದೆ 3 into 1 ಇದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿದೆ 3 into 2 ಇದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿದೆ 3 into 3 ಇದೆ. Next we have 3 into 4. Correct? So how can I write this in the set builder form? I can write it as set of all x such that x is equal to 3 into n. Okay, correct? Where n belongs to natural number. Howda? 1, 2, 3 are nothing but natural number. So if I write natural number continuous ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So what I'll do? I'll write it to be 1 less than or equal to n. I can write n less than or equal to 4. Okay, n less than or equal to 4. N less than or equal to 4, because n no 1 less than or equal to 4 andre n is natural number, so it starts from 1. So 3 into 1 is 3, then n is equal to 2, 3 into 2 is 6, n is equal to 3, 3 into 3 is 9, n is less than or equal to 4 andre 4 include agutte. So 3 into 4 is 12. Correct? Did you get the answer, students? Did you get the answer? Artha aita answer? Have you understood the answer? Have you understood the answer, students? Yes. Okay. Okay. So can anyone tell me the answer for the second one? Second one. Can you try? Second one. Can anyone try the answer for the second one? Yes. Santulin has told me it is like squares. It's not squares. multiply by 2, no, it's not multiple of 2. Multiply by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 4 6 8 ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ 2 4 8 16 32 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿಸ್ 2 4 8 16 32 ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ is this? Can I write it as 2 to the power 1? 2 can be written as 2 to the power 1. How can I write 4? How can I write 4? Can I write 4 as 2 to the power 2? Correct? 2 square is 4. Okay. How can I write 8? 2 cube. Okay. How can I write 16? How can I write 16? 2 to the power 4. Correct? 16 2 power 4. Okay. How can I write 32? 32 ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ನಮಗೆ? ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು 32 ಅನ್ನು? 2 to the power 5. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? Can you see the pattern? Can you see the pattern among these elements? What is the pattern? ಹೇಗಿದೆ? 2 to the power, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ 2 ಇದೆ. Can you see the pattern? Yes. 2 to the power, ಇಲ್ಲಿ numbers change ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಶುರುವಾಗಿದೆ ನಂಬರ್? 1 ಇಂದ ಶುರುವಾಗಿದೆ. Yes, natural numbers. 2 to the power n, and n should be natural number. X is equal to 2 to the power n, and n is a natural number. But ಎಲ್ಲ natural numbers ಇದೆಯಾ? Can you find all the natural numbers over here? Can you find all the natural numbers over here? ಎಲ್ಲ natural numbers ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? Or no, you cannot find all the natural numbers. So till where we have the natural numbers? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಇದೆ natural number? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಇದೆ natural number? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಇದೆ? Till where we have natural number? Till 5 or less than 6. X. So what is your set builder form? How can you write the set builder form? X such that, this is compulsory, X such that X is equal to 2 to the power n, correct? Ramesh, question irudu 2 4 6 8 sorry 2 4 8 16 32 ಅಂತ. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 power 1, 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 square, 8 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 cube, 16 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 power 4, 32 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 power 5. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ 2 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು 2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 1 2 3 4 5 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಇವುಗಳು ಯಾವುದು? ಈ 1 2 3 4 5 ಎಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಬರ್ದೆ n ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದೆ. ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ n belongs to n and n is less than or equal to 5. N is less than or equal to 5. So this is the answer for the second one. Are you clear with the second one? Are you clear with the second one, students? Second one artha aita? Yes. Now you can try for the third one. Third one is similar. So we'll see who will give me the answer quickly. Already I got the answer. 5 to the power n. Yes, good Santali. I got the answer. Very good Santali. Yes. ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಏನೇನಿದೆ 5 I have, 25 I have 125, I have 625. Correct? 5 25 125 625. So 5 can be written as 5 power 1, and then 25 is 5 square. Okay, 125 is 5 cube, 625 is 5 to the power 4. Correct? 5 to the power 4 is 625. ಅವಾಗ ಬರ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರ್ದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್ ತರ ಬರೆಯುವಂತದ್ದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಮೇಲೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್? ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್? ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ set of all x, okay, such that x is equal to 5 to the power n. Okay, 5 to the power n. N belongs to natural number. N belongs to natural number. But can we include all the natural numbers, or we have to restrict? Whether we have to restrict the natural number, or should we include all the natural numbers? Ella natural number annu include ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾ? ಕೆಲವು natural numbers ಮಾತ್ರ. If we have to take some natural numbers, you have to specify till where I have to take. Till 4. Yes. So n should be less than or equal to 4. n should be less than or equal to 4. So this is your answer. Did you understand, students? Have you understood? Can we move for the next one? Next one? Yeah, we'll see who will give me quickly the answer for the next two questions. Those two are very okay. At least try for the fourth one. It is very easy. 2, 4, 6. Someone had given me answer earlier only. 2, 4, 6. What is the answer for the fourth? Yeah, multiple of 2 you can say. Then what else you can say? What are those numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. ಏನಿದು? X is an even natural numbers. Good, Chandana. Even natural. You can write multiple of 2 as well. You can write that also. X is an even natural number. ತುಂಬಾ ಎಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ವಾ? We can write it as simple as possible. So, ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? X is such that X is an even natural number. Done. Even natural number. Remember, bracket close ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬಾ important. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Open bracket and close bracket is very important in the set. ನೀವು bracket close ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ even ನಿಮ್ಮ answer ಸರಿ ಇದ್ರು you will get 0 marks. Okay, so it's very important to close the bracket. Okay, so let me see who will give me the answer for the last question. Fifth one. 1, 4, 9, so on till 100. 1, 4, 9, so on till 100. What is the pattern? Rohan, yeah, Rohan has raised the hand. Instead of raising, I think you can tell me the answer. Santolin, yeah, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. Yeah, Santolin is saying that. We'll see. Okay. We have the numbers as 1, 4, 9, 16. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ 100 ತನಕ ಇದೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? We have till 100. So 1 can be written as 1 square, correct? How can I write 4? How can I write 4? How can I write 4? 4 can be written as 2 square. Okay, then 9 can be written as 3 square. Okay, then 4 square, so on. So here it is 100 can be written as 10 square, correct? 100 can be written as 10 square. Okay, now what is the common property? ಯಾವ number common ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಸಹ? Power common ಇದೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Okay, so we'll write it. X is such that X is equal to, power is common. What is the power? 2. 2 is common. But what is changing here? Base change ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. ಕೆಳಗಿರುವ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 1, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5, 10 ತನಕ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು? n square ಅಂತ ಬರೀಲಾ? Can I write it as n square? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 are natural numbers. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು n ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. So n belongs to natural number. Should I include all the natural numbers? ಎಲ್ಲ natural number include ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? Should I include all the natural numbers? Or should I restrict it? Or we should not include all the natural numbers. So ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ include ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Till where I have to include? Till where I have to include, students? Till where? Till 10. So n should be less than or equal to 10. N should be less than or equal to 10. See, you're so intelligent. See, you know the answers, correct? Good students. Okay. So roster form, set builder form, everyone understood, right? Now you can write ಏನೇ question ಕೊಟ್ರು ಅದರದ್ದು roster form ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ, set builder form ಕೊಟ್ರು ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. You should know these two things. Even if I ask you in sleep, you should know the answer. Okay, fine. We'll move to the next. Okay, now you have to list out the elements. This will do quick. This we can do quickly, students. Okay, what is the set A? Element ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. So set A ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ? X such that X is an odd natural number. X is an odd natural number. So what are the elements in set A? So what are the elements in set A? List out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Elements ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and it goes on. End ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. 1, 3, 5, 6. No, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and it goes on. Good. Now, what is the answer for the second one? Can anyone tell me the answer for second one? X is an integer. Okay, X is an integer and ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಯ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇರಬೇಕು? It should lie between -half to 9/2. Okay, so -half is how much? -0.5, correct? -0.5. Okay, then what is 9/2? 9/2 is 4.5, correct? 9/2 is 4.5. So what are the elements which I have to include? I have to include the integers. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ನಾನು integers include ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. -0.5 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, 4.5 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಗಳು. Okay, we have to include only the integers. So what is the answer? What is the answer? Integers. Remember, we have to include integers. Integers include ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What are integers? Integers are 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2. All these are integers. So -0.5 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುವ integer ಯಾವುದು? Which is greater than -0.5. If you have the number line, this is 0. Okay, this is -1. So -0.5 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Then we have 1, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 4.5 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So -0.5 ಮತ್ತೆ 4.5 ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಬರುವಂತ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಗಳು ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ? What are the integers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are your integers. See students, we have to write only the integers. Whole number is included in integers. Okay, whole number, that 0 is included in integer. Okay, correct? -0.5 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುವ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಇಂದ ಶುರು ಆಗಬೇಕು. 4.5 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 0 ಮತ್ತೆ 4 ನಡುವೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ? including 0 and 4, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, those who are done, you can answer the next question. Next question. What is the answer for the next question? X is an integer such that x square is less than or equal to 4. ಏನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು? ನೀವು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 0, +or-1, +or-2 ಇವುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರದ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು? ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಓಕೆ, if we square them, the value should be either less than 4 or equal to 4. So ಯಾವ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? The value should be either less than 4 or -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Good Chandana. -1, -2. Because what is -2 square? -2 square is 4. So -2 I can include. Then -1, because -1 square is 1, which is less than 4. 0 square is 0, which is less than 4. 1 square is 1, which is less than 4. 2 square is 4, which is less than 4. The rest of the things, take it as homework, students. Okay, take the other questions as homework because that is very easy. Okay, homework. We'll move to the next slide. Take the screenshot. Okay, then there is something called as, we have different types of sets. Okay, different types of sets. ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿನ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. You know all these things. Now we'll see different types of sets. We'll see types of sets. Under that, the first one is empty set. So empty ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What do you mean by empty? Empty set. Set ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Empty set ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What might be it? An empty. What is the meaning of empty? Empty. Clear. Okay, empty. ಖಾಲಿ, ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. Correct? ಖಾಲಿ. Correct. There are no elements. So what is the definition of empty set? It does not have any elements. That's the definition. See, so simple. You know the answers. Correct? Because you know the meaning of the words. That's why empty set. Empty set ಅಂದ್ರೆ the set which does not contain any element. Okay, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದು ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಸೇರದಿದ್ರೆ then we call such set as empty set, or you have one more name, null set or void set. Aita, you have three names for this, that is empty set, null set, void set. And the symbol to represent empty set is this one, flower bracket hige hakidre empty set, or you can represent it by this also, 5. Okay, these are the symbols to represent empty set. So can you give me an example for empty set? Can anyone give me an example for empty set, students? Any example, mathematical example or real life example, anything is fine. Can you give me an example for empty set? Ishtottu ನೀವು set ನೋಡಿ. Can you give me one example for empty set, students? One example for empty set. Empty set. Set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, ಆ ರೀತಿಯ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? Can you define any one set like that which how many stars in the sky? Sky ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ stars ಇದೆ. That is not an empty set. 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. No, not. That is not an empty set. Stars ಅಲ್ಲಿ sky ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ stars ಇದೆ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ. So it is not an empty set. I want an set which is empty. I want an answer which is empty. Empty answer ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು, ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಬರಬಾರದು. So should I give one example? I'll give one example. I'll give mathematical example. Okay, x such that a is equal to x such that student of class 10 to 9. Okay, Ambika has given a real life example. X is a student of class 9 and 10. It's not 2 10, it is and 10. ಒಬ್ಬ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಎರಡು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? Do we have that chance? Yes, 1 less than x less than 2. ಇದರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, we'll see this one first. Okay, x is the student of class 9 and 10. Can you find any student who is the student of class 9 and class 10 at a time ಅವರು ಎರಡು ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? Is this possible, student? Whether this is possible? No. So idrolage ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. So this is an empty set. So Santolin has given some mathematical example. Okay, I hope you have thought about this. So x is such that, okay, x is a natural number and x lies between 1 less than x less than 2. Okay, x is an even prime number greater than 2. Yes, good Santolin. That is also a good example. So first example of Santolin was x is a natural number, but x ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿನ ಒಳಗಿರಬೇಕು? 1 less than x less than 2. Okay, 1 less than x less than 2. 1 ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಇನ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? Can you find any natural number in between 1 and 2? Can you find any natural number in between 1 and 2, students? No. Which means, do you have any element in that particular set? Do you have any element in that particular set? No. So it is an empty set. One more example which Santolin gave was even prime numbers other than 2. Okay, even prime numbers. So prime number ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು even number ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು? How many prime numbers are even? How many prime numbers are even? Even ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ prime number ಯಾವುದು? Even ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ prime number only 2. So except 2, can you find any other prime number which is even? Which is even? No, right? So that is also an example for empty set, null set or void set. So I'll give you an exercise or task, a homework, something, whatever you take. I want you people to get me the example for the null set. Okay, I want you people to get me the example for null sets when we meet for the next class. And when we come for next class, you people have to revise all these things. Okay, ellanu revise madirbeku. You have to revise all the things. Okay, so did you understand everything whatever I have taught you